Okay, so check out this beautiful 1973 Datsun 240Z, just restored here by California Datsun. And this one is a beauty. Fully restored from bumper to bumper. This car's got all the bells and whistles. I'll be as quick as I can about this. We've done several of these videos, but this one is special, and I wanted to make sure I reviewed as much of it as I could. We'll show you this beautiful leather interior that was done by Rogelio's Auto Upholstery. You got some custom gauges in there. You got an Alpine touchscreen, 7-inch sound system, vintage air, keeps it nice and cool here in California. You got your Fuel Tech 550 touchscreen LCD screen there. Custom made dash. It's got all the goodies. I'll come around the other side here and kind of show you the wheel and tire package. These are 17-inch Roto wheels. They are in a bronze color. If you look closer, you can see the Willwood rear disc brake conversion, the two-piece rotors that we did. The car is awesome. The stance is even better. Coil-over suspension, complemented by that strut bar. We got the stance just right here, as you can see. Let's talk about the engine for a second. Look at that beauty. Fuel injected 3-liter stroker motor, naturally aspirated. It's got individual coil packs, that very cool Nissan valve cover. Our buddies at Pro Tuners supplied us with that awesome intake manifold, as we always use. Got some monster fans on here keeping it cool. Relay packs down there for all of our electrical. It's got a AGM battery diehard on there. Incredible sound system on this thing. You can hear it from a mile away. Sounds great. On this side, a little more detail to the engine. Our regular Champion cooling radiator, keeping everything nice and cool. It's got a Willwood master cylinder. That awesome header, as you can see there. That's really unique, going into a stainless steel exhaust system. Of course, the front brakes get the huge 6-piston calipers, 2-piece rotors as well, and it's got a nice unique air dam on there. I did want to show real quick some of the beauty on the inside again. It's got a unique 6x9 custom made speaker box back here. All the plastic panels were wrapped in leather. Tough to see all this with the shadowing today, but it's got Mercedes carpet in it. The guy spared no expense. It's really sharp. All the way down to a backup camera. That's right. European bumpers, brand new taillights, new weather strip kit. Of course, this awesome wing to complement the hatch. On the undercarriage, you got the stainless steel twice pipe exhaust system. Adjustable lower control arms, limited slip differential, 5-speed transmission. It's got all the goodies up under there. And we are super proud of this one. So thank you for everyone who helped us out in getting this done. Another gorgeous build here by California Datsun. If you are looking to have your Z restored, we'd love to talk to you about it. This is the type of custom work we can do. As you can see here with these door panels, it's got these incredible speaker system in it. Like I said, a custom made dash. It's just one good looking 240Z. So thank you again for watching, and we look forward to showing you another one.